Alright guys, so as you saw last week, we pulled out the throttle body. Today, we're going to go ahead and clean it. So, I got some of this CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner. Now they say don't remove the throttle body to clean it because you can mess up your throttle position and the computer and everything like that. I already had it off and I was already changing the sensor, so I figured I would clean it anyway. So what we'll do is we'll spray some of this up in here. Then we'll let that sit, and then we will come back in a little bit and wipe it off with a rag, see how much we get off. Alright guys, so it was a short little time lapse. Hopefully it got what we wanted to see. So now we're going to take a rag and we're going to spray some more on the rag here. Alright, and then we're going to go and we're going to wipe it all out. Can you give me just a second? Get the majority of the junk out, and then I will let you clean some. Look at all that coming out.
Oh.
Alright, so obviously we're gonna probably need more than one rag. So we'll see. Let's get this all wiped out. Hey guys, so I'm sure you heard in that video I said that last week we pulled the throttle body out. Well, it has obviously been a few weeks since I did that, and I apologize for the wait in between videos, and I have officially decided that I am not going to promise a timeline in these videos on when the next one's coming out, you know, when I'm doing this, when I'm doing that, because my schedule always ends up crazy and other things come up, and I obviously have to take care of the more important things before I can do anything else. And so I will no longer be saying, hey, next week we're going to do this, or hey, in the next, you know, day, tomorrow, whatever. So I'm not going to be doing that anymore. Again, I apologize for the wait in between the videos, but you know, life happens. So I do enjoy working on the truck, and I try to get out and work on it as often as possible. This week I obviously did not get a chance to do anything big. It's just the throttle body cleaning from when I pull the throttle body off, and then here in a bit we're gonna clean the inside of the windshield because I went to the beach and one of my buddies was grilling right next to the truck, and I had the window down and saw all the grease and smoke and stuff stuck on the inside of the windshield. So we'll be cleaning that off here in a second. But I appreciate everybody for watching the videos. Again, as usual, feedback is always welcome. So if you've got it, post it. And I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. If you are, feel free to throw likes on the videos and everything. Thanks. Alright guys, so it's not 100% clean, but it's definitely a lot better than it was before.
How do I?
If I really wanted to, I could sit here and soak it all day and probably get the rest of it out, but it is 1,000 times better than it was before. I've cleaned up where the butterflies open and everything like that, so that they won't get gummed up. So I think that's the most important issue, is making sure that those don't get stuck. So that's done. We're gonna go up and we're gonna clean the other side up on the motor. So let's go and check that out. We'll just do it real quick, spray it, wipe it out, get the built up gunk out, and then should be good. Alright, so we're gonna spray the rag. We'll wipe out the inside of this, and then I will show you the result. I can't really get the camera in a good spot here, so we'll give you a before and after. So alright guys, so can't really tell the difference with the lighting and everything, but we got all the built up gunk out, which is the most important. So I feel like getting the built up gunk out is more important than making it nice and shiny clean. Sorry about the wind. Again, it's been pretty windy here, but yeah, so next all you would do is bolt the throttle body back up and reconnect everything, and then you are good to go. Hope this helped. Hope you guys had fun. I sure did. And we'll see you next time.
And if you would like, please subscribe our video. Thank you.
Alright guys, so part 2 of this video is going to be cleaning this windshield. I don't know if you can see all of the smears and stuff. I tried to wipe it down on the inside with Windex, and it pretty much just smeared all this stuff that was on here all over. So now when I drive into the sun, it's pretty hard to see, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it and see what we get. Alright guys, so I've got this solution that I'm gonna use. It is half Dawn dish soap and half vinegar. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna spray it onto this washcloth, and we'll wipe the inside of the windshield, and then I'll rinse the washcloth off in a bucket of water. We'll go back and we'll clean it off because it leaves like nasty soapiness. So we'll get it all rinsed off, and then we'll take some paper towel and we'll dry the windshield off. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you heard, this cleaner is equal parts Dawn dish soap and regular vinegar. You just put it in a squirt bottle, you spray it on whatever you're going to clean, and then you come back a little bit later, you wash it off, takes all the nastiness off of whatever you sprayed it on. My wife found this a couple of years back. We use it mostly for our showers. It's pretty nice because, like I said, you spray it on, you go about doing whatever you're doing. 10-15 minutes later, you hop into the shower, you turn the water on, and as you're taking a shower, it's washing away all the soap scum for you. It's one of the best bathroom cleaners that we found, but then we started branching out and using it on other surfaces. We've used it on walls. My cat box, I have one of those litter boxes with the pellets and the pads. I forgot to put a pad in there one time, and so it was just full of pee, and I dumped it all out, sprayed it down with this Dawn dish soap and vinegar, and it pulled the scent out of the plastic. So it's really good on a lot of different surfaces. I'm not saying it'll work on everything. Always test it before you just go and throw it on whatever it is, but it's one of the best cleaners that we have found so far. So feel free to use it on a lot of different things. I'm using it on glass today, so it's pretty versatile, great to use, pulls all the nastiness off of whatever it is. So definitely recommended by me. I hope everyone who's come from this recent promotion is enjoying the things that I'm posting. If you are, leave a like, subscribe, check out the Instagram, the Twitter, the Facebook page, all of those. They all go by the same name. So hope to see you guys there, and let's get back to the video. Alright guys, there we go. Nice clean windshield on the inside. Got all that greasy griminess off of it. So now we got it all clean. I do need to clean the inside or the outside, but kind of pointless with this crack right here. I just need to get it replaced, but I kind of needed to see when I drove, so it is what it is. But thanks for watching this short little video today. Got a little bit of a thing to show you. It was my birthday, so let's go check out the gifts that I got. So I got these 3-ton jack stands, so that'll be nice for when I need to do the brakes here pretty soon. I got the Haynes manual for my Bronco. It says 80 through 96. They really apparently didn't change much between then. So, interesting fact. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, my Facebook page, any of those, you will have seen this next one. It's a new OBD1 reader, so I don't have to use my paperclip anymore. And it even came with the little owner's manual, which has the list of all of the codes. So it'll pop up, tell me the number, and I can just look in here instead of trying to Google it and figure out what it is. So that's nice. So thanks to everyone who bought those for me. All right, thanks for coming out and joining us today. We'll see you guys in the next video.